and welcome to the British Columbia Real Estate Association's Housing Market Update for January 2012. Home sales in the province edged down nearly 2% in December compared to the same month the previous year. Low mortgage interest rates, population growth, and gradually improving economic conditions are continuing to underpin housing demand in the province. Total active listings in the market were up 6% to a little over 40,000 units compared to December 2010. Market conditions are improving province-wide as a result of a combination of downward movement in the number of homes for sale and an upward trend in consumer demand. However, regional markets can vary significantly, so contact your local realtor to identify market conditions in your community. The average residential price in the province edged down about 3% to just under $510,000. But accounting for statistical noise, prices were essentially unchanged. We expect home prices to remain relatively unchanged through the next few quarters as market activity around the province reflects more normal and stable conditions. Now let's take a look at market conditions around the province. This month's In Focus looks at 2011 in review. The housing market held its own in 2011 despite weaker than expected economic performance at home and abroad. The European sovereign debt crisis also had an impact, but in two very different ways. First, the negative publicity was sour milk to many households, businesses, and investors, eroding confidence and forestalling some expenditures. Second, the resulting flight to safety of capital put some significant downward pressure on bond yields, and since longer-term mortgage rates key off the bond market, borrowers were the beneficiaries as rates scraped rock bottom for most of the year. Nearly 77,000 homes traded on the multiple listing service last year, a 3% increase over 2010. When compared historically, 2011 home sales fell well below the 10-year average of 88,000 units and about on par with the 15-year average of 79,000 units. Home prices appeared to reach a record high, with an annual average in BC climbing 11% to $561,000. However, the provincial number was skewed quite dramatically by a short-term blip in composition and location of home sales in Vancouver. The dramatic rise and then decline in the average price data had little to do with provincial market conditions. In fact, if we throw out the 2011 average price data altogether and join 2010 with 2012, it would be much closer to reality. Next month, we'll drill into the BCREA first quarter housing forecast. Well, that's it for this month's Housing Market Update. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.